Hey plant enthusiasts, it's Irina here, and today I've got something special for both myself and my succulents. I've ordered a bunch of interesting ceramic pots from Poland. Let's dive into this video to see the exciting updates awaiting my succulent collection. Opening up the first pot, and it's a real surprise. It looks like a funny little character with a hole for a 7 cm diameter pot. Let's see which plant will go into this character-shaped pot. Since this human-shaped pot can only stand on the edge of the windowsill or shelf, dangling its legs, I need to choose a plant that isn't too demanding for light. Among the young succulents, I have selected the crested Euphorbia lactea. Recently potted in a 7 cm diameter pot, it's starting its growth and can be positioned a bit further from the light, in the third row from the glass. Continuing with the unboxing. The second pot is Lovely Lady made of concrete. I've always liked bus-shaped pots. They showcase trailing plants beautifully, hanging down like hair. However, currently all my trailing plants have long outgrown such pot size. Let's see what interesting I have in a 9 cm pot. I found the Onium Schwarzkopf. In the summer it turns black, and now it resembles a chocolate palm tree. Together with this charming pot, do they make a good combination in your opinion? I want to virtually commend the packaging employee. They did an outstanding job. Not a single pot was damaged during transportation. In total, I received 3 such boxes, ensuring myself with packaging material for the year ahead. And here is a tall pot shaped like a guy. This guy came paired with a similar pot, only of a smaller size, which I showcased in the first part of this video. You can find the link to it in the video description. For this one I've chosen a funny cactus with long spikes. It instantly becomes the center of attention, not getting lost in my succulents jungle. That concludes the unboxing of pots and the distribution of new homes for my succulents. Stay tuned for the next exciting part with more pots and lovely plants. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Wishing you all the best in your plant journey.